Palang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion para sa ngayong December 13. And for today, we are going to continue our series of 7 postures of prayer. And our focus will be praying with conviction. Makikita natin ito sa Daniel chapter 6 verse 10 na nagsasabing, "Now, when Daniel learned that the decree had been published, he went home to his upstairs room where the windows opened toward Jerusalem. 3 times a day he got down on his knees and prayed, giving thanks to his God, just as he had done before." Sa Tagalog, nang malaman ni Daniel na lumagda ang hari, umuwi siya at pumunta sa kanyang silid na nasa itaas na bahagi ng bahay, kung saan nakabukas ang bintana na nakaharap sa Jerusalem. Doon, lumuhod siya, nanalangin at nagpasalamat sa kanyang Diyos 3 beses sa isang araw ayon sa kanyang nakaugalian. Makikita po natin dito na conviction is a strong belief that God answers prayers. Tulad ng ginagawa ni Daniel na 3 beses, hindi lang isa, no? Siya nagpipray kada araw because he believes that God will listen. And conviction motivates a person to pray consistently. Dahil nga may tiwala ka, naninindigan ka sa kapangyarihan ng Panginoon, you will do it again and again in a habit. Because conviction is rooted in a deep relationship with God. Kung gusto mo pong mas mapalalim pa ang relasyon mo kay God, kung gusto mo ng intimate relationship sa Kanya, kailangan meron kang conviction. Kailangan meron kang discipline. In that way, alam ng Panginoon na tapat ka sa Kanya. Ikalulugod yun ng ating Panginoon. So pray with a strong sense of God's presence. Pag nananalangin ka, alam mong nandyan yung Panginoon. Alam mong hindi ka niya papabayaan. Pray with conviction in every word you say. Kada binabanggit mong salita, dapat inaalay mo yan lahat sa Panginoon. Dapat minimin mo every single syllable. So pray with a consistent pursuit of intimacy with God. Layunin mo na maging pinaka-close sa Panginoon. Pinaka-close na kakayanin mo. In that way, ikalulugod ka niya. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.